Good afternoon, YouTubers. We're going to find out if this rake I got at the dump on this morning's dog walk is fixable. Some of these got pretty sharp bends. Maybe it ain't fixable. I got more tomatoes to pick. It's hard to gauge where the majority of the good teeth are. It's like an inbred hillbilly. All these crooked teeth. No offense to inbred hillbillies. You know their names. Oh, this tooth is coming out nice. This one's got a twist. I might have hit this with a mower. I left it under the leaf pile where the town picked it up. I like the plastic rakes anyway. They hold their shape. You can't bend the teeth on them, they break, but they hold up better than these metal ones. And if you don't have no rake at all, this is a good tool to have. I should have got a heavier pair of pliers. Fingers seem to work better than the pliers. Now the teeth will all compress when you put them against the ground. And I wasn't going to waste any tape till I got it approximately right. You hockey players will notice this technique. I'm going to overlap the top so I don't get no fiberglass itchies in my skin. Put me in, Coach. I'm ready to go.